Hey everyone, I'm Portia P and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. Before you leave, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will never miss a new upload when I do post. Let's jump right into this video. This is how it looks. This is the natural state. So this is what I mean by what I do in the morning or whatnot to just start my day. I'll just go like this. So I only got one strand of hair. This hair really don't shed. I'll probably get like 1 or 2 strands. And that's not even like, that ain't nothing. So this is actually how it looks when I damp it. And still there's no product in it. It looks good, right? 180 density. It looks full. It don't look thin. These are not wand curls. This is actually the curls it comes in. I love it. Like all you have to do is just like wet it and go from your sink. You don't even have to like wash it and detangle it. Throw some water on and go. This hair haven't been giving me any issues. I am the biggest fan of Tinashehair. As you can see, if you go down my channel and check out more of my videos, all my hair is pretty much from Tinashehair. They got the best hair, the best quality, the best prices. If you think about ever purchasing from Tinashehair, please do so. Look out down below, link down below in the description box. I do give you ladies, I think they give me 20-30% off when I do check out, when I order hair from them. So it definitely be knocking off like at least $30 off my basket when I do purchase. You don't pay for shipping. Shipping comes through FedEx. So that's absolutely free. Usually when I order from Tinashehair, I get my hair probably 5 business days. Yep, after I place it, probably the next day or the next night, I will get a tracking number and it goes from there. So you don't wait that long for your units. So this is like everything. I should do another video. I was trying to like a couple days ago, I was trying to play around with it, seeing how it will wand curl. I haven't wand curl in so long, but I think it looked cute. But I think I had that time I had products in the hair. So y'all, that's pretty much it. This is how it looks damped with water, and I don't even put no product on. Just straight water and out the door. But yeah, I love Tinashehair. It's so cute. And if you want this like jet black look, all I get is a Revlon box from Walmart for like $2 or $3, and one box is all I use for this hair. So if you want to stretch that box, just wet the hair and then put on your hair dye. But other than that, Tinashehair come through. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. got more videos lined up. I told you I was just so busy, like moving, vacation, me time, going back to work. So yeah, you gotta bear with me. But yeah, this hair is like, this is like my favorite hair right now. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you next time. Bye.